Continental Residency, a 2-star category premier hotel at Malda, which is another unit of Continental Lodge having more than 30 years of proven experience in this hospitality industry. This centrally located air-conditioned hotel, having with 74 wide range of well-appointed, centrally air-conditioned luxury room, with wide facility like complimentary buffet breakfast, free Wi-Fi, express laundry, multi-cuisine restaurant, conference hall, lift facility, tea coffee maker in the room, car parking or rental car, home delivery. The Rajnigandha, one of the most beautiful banquet hall, having with state-of-art facility, meets every social occasion like marriage party, birthday party, official conference, and many more. For more inquiry, contact us.